Good morning. We have little babies out here. We have the little Quaker Parrot. And this one's going to go and live with our friend Jamie very, very soon. And back here, we have the little green-cheeked Conure. This one's a little girl. She's going to be a cinnamon turquoise. She's just as pretty as can be. Now, I know that she's a little girl because her dad is a cinnamon turquoise and her mom is a yellow-sided turquoise. And cinnamon is a sex-linked mutation. It's passed from the dad to the daughters. And so all the boys from that clutch will be turquoise, split the cinnamon and a yellow-sided. And the girls will be cinnamon turquoise. And she is just as cute and as precious as can be. Look at the little Quaker. She's got all the little pin feathers poked up. This is the time in the development when the parents would be preening them and trying to break open those little pin feathers. Look how cute that is. Is that not adorable? Look at that. Just adorable. Yeah, baby.
Why do they puff it up?
Well, for several reasons. One is to make them look bigger.
It just makes them look like a big fluff ball.
Yeah. And another reason is because he's doing that because it feels good to be groomed. Just like that. He loves that. Now let's look at this big guy back here. This is the baby we're calling Goose. This is our Macaw Baby. Look at that. His face is turning white. You can see the feathers starting to grow on his face. Just look how adorable he is. Look how big that foot is.
Yeah.
His wings are enormous. Look at that. Enormous. It's so pretty.
Ginormous. Not
He
bad.
really is. He's not biting me. He thinks he wants to be fed some more, but I've already fed him. Come here, baby. Let's show a size difference.
And that, tell them what kind these two are.
That's a blue and gold macaw and a green-cheeked conure. And they are about the same stage developmentally.
Yeah.
Although the green wing is not a green wing. The baby macaw is twice as old as the little conure. The little conures are smaller birds and they develop much faster. Love these little guys.
It looks like it has little splinters. It looks so funny. But I know they're just little feathers.
Yeah.
I think he likes my owls.
The baby cockatoos, they have already gone to be with Sarah. She already has them sold for us. I have some questions as to why I don't keep the babies until they're weaned and sell them myself. And the honest answer is because it is a lot of work. And we have 4 children. We have special needs children that take up a lot of our time. And the children always come first. And so it's easier for us to let the baby birds go and be with Sarah at West Branch Aviary as she weans them and sells them for us. So it's basically convenient. And she's doing us a huge, tremendous favor. This is the 3rd year that she's been selling baby birds for us. Now, if she didn't take our baby birds, we would have 20 or 30 baby birds to feed right now. And it would take hours and hours every day to be able to do that.
Like, especially if you're making a video, like right now.
Well, yeah, we're taking extra time right now. It's early in the morning and the boys are all still in bed.
Yeah.
I'm not sure they're still asleep, but they're still in bed.
Daddy, why is he biting these little pin feathers?
He's not biting. He thinks that that's his mommy and he wants the mommy to feed him. But he's already been fed too.
Yeah.
It's cute seeing them snuggled up together, isn't it?
Yeah. When he's puffed up, he looks like he's angry.
Yeah, he's not though.
Oh, it looks like he's wearing a little hat. I think he likes you a lot.
Yeah.
See? Go on with the goop.
Well, guys, we're going to close the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.